All right, so here we go. In Premiere, we want to kind of get our timeline set up. We want to add some more audio tracks so we have more space. So I'm going to go up to Sequences and then down to Add Tracks. Make that 0 because we don't need video tracks, and maybe add 2 more audio tracks, and then you would say OK. All right, when we get our audio from the Tascam or into the USB, it generally comes out as one channel. So I play this. If you had headphones on, you'd only hear that on one side, on the right side. Let's zoom in a little more, make this larger. As you can see, left has nothing, right has that sound. So click on this with it selected and highlighted, right click, and then you go to Audio Channels. So right now, I have our clip here. We have the left is on the left channel and the right is on the right channel. So if I want to use the same audio that's on the right channel on the left, I come over here, click, all right, say OK, and you should notice over here it should change. So now you have the exact same audio on the right and the left, so it should play through both headphone speakers. All right. The other piece that you want to be mindful of is, say I wanted to use the same clip or piece again. And so I have it selected. I can do Control C or Command C to copy it, but sometimes it pastes on top of my other things. So if I come over here, this little blue box, I click it, is now deselected. If I do Control V or Command V, it pastes on this second timeline because this is the next closest audio track to the center. So it pastes here. So if I wanted to paste on the third one, I just uncheck that and it would go down to the third audio track. So that's something that's super helpful when you need to duplicate something and not paste on top of some of your other progress.